Hi guys, so today I have come up with another concept in SQL which is unpivoting a table. So in my one of the videos I explained how you can transpose the columns to rows using pivot. Now we will do that the reverse, like from pivot to unpivot. So for that we will be using a table here, two cells. So this is our table which we will use P1, P2, P3, 549, 5209, 469, and all the sales values in Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. Okay, so let us see how do we unpivot this. So we will write select product ID. We will keep it as quarter, then sales. So there will be three columns in which we will be displaying these values. So we have first mentioned those three columns over here. So you can see that product ID column we have already, but quarter and sales we don't have. So in the quarter column, there will be Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 for each respective P1, P2, P3. So there will be like 12 rows and respective sales values will be there. For P1, Q1, 549, for P1, Q2, 720, for P1, Q3, 286, like that. 12 rows we will have. So we have mentioned that in our select statement, those three columns, then we will prepare our data. So we will take the data from select uh, star from Q cells as S. Okay, then we'll write unpivot, put parenthesis, and inside this we will first write the column which is not present. Which column is not present? That is sales column is not present. Sorry, the column which will have contain all these values which are in the middle, not in the top row and first column. These values will be contained inside that column. So that column we will write sales, then we will write for, then these these values currently are contained under these columns. Okay, so for that we will write UTR in, and we will mention each one cells, cells, then Q3 cells, then Q4 cells. Okay, and we will give an alias to this B, and our query is ready. So we need to understand this query. First one is our subquery. This one is the data from which we are taking, and this is the column. Product ID is already there. QTR and sales are not there. So we are creating a sales column which will have the values, these values which are in the middle for QTR. So you can read it like this: give these values to under sales column for which are currently present in Q1 cells, Q2 cells, Q3 cells, and Q4 cells. You can read it like this: give me the values for sales column which are currently under the columns, and then column name. Okay, And for your first one, this is like select the data from which we will the columns or field, whatever you can say. Let us now run this. Okay, our result table is now ready. So there are total 12 rows. So let me just clarify again the syntax for UNPIVOT, and the syntax will be UNPIVOT syntax starts with UNPIVOT, then parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis you type the new column name, then write for, then source column name. Source column name. That is why I said the values for sales column are currently under the Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 sales columns. In values under the source columns. Okay, which will be mentioned like value 1, comma value 2, comma value 3. Sorry, not values. Field source column names. Source column names. Then we have to give it as an alias. This is our syntax. Unpivot new column name for source column name in source column names. Okay. Thank you so much. If you have learned something new, please like this video and share it with your friends. For more such videos and content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.